Olylife Tera-P90 incorporate the application of terahertz light waves known as the light of life and bioresonance technology sinusoidal waves. It simulates Earth's natural electromagnetic pulse, applying the natural warm circulation therapy through a frequency of 1 MHz per second. It channels energy waves evenly into the body from the soles of the feet, enabling cells to generate magnetic fields between each other, effectively improving the body's microcirculation, accelerating self-movement, separating adhered red blood cells, clearing blockages in the human body where there's stagnation, enabling oxygen and nutrients to effectively reach all the organs of the body, and provides sufficient nutrients for the organism. Olylife Tera-P90 release electrons that can easily enter the cells, neutralizing diseases triggered within the body and free radicals that damage cells and rearrange cells with disrupted functionality. Furthermore, it helps to repair damaged cells, promoting metabolism. Olylife Tera-P90 uses revolutionary and portable energy plate-powered energy transfer method, corresponding the internal organs with acupoints on the foot, form water molecules with positive and negative ions present in the body. Fast rotation, generating heat. It generates an intracellular subfebrile heat effect, promoting deep internal heat circulation in the human body. It improves blood circulation quickly, dredging meridians, harmonizing vital energy and blood, improving immune system, delay aging, bottom up, from inside out, from cell to body, activate cells by connecting the body,